Thing that I really wanted to focus on was making sure that the skin on my stomach was taken care of because my belly changed like that overnight. So one of the products I've been using is this. It's MamaDerma from Baby Doppler. So you guys probably saw one of my last posts from Baby Doppler. They do that amazing at-home heartbeat monitor where you can listen to the baby's heartbeat. But they also have this, which is a cream that you can use, and then they have a spray-on oil. And I'm somebody that I don't like to get my fingers dirty and my hands dirty, and it makes it really easy. It's less cleanup. You can just spritz it on. And then with this, what I love is it has these little roller balls. And so I'm really tight through here. And so what I can do is just sit sort of on the couch. You can even see it, how tight my skin is, and just roll this on. And so it's not only hydrating your stomach, helping with stretch marks, but it's also giving you a little bit of a massage, and it's cool, so you could just Netflix and chill. So check out this one, check out the spray on oil. It's a total game changer.